Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly option from Anker, the Soundcore H30i wireless headphones. Priced attractively, these promise robust performance without breaking the bank. Let's see if they deliver. Starting with the design, the Soundcore H30i headphones feature a straightforward aesthetic. They're made primarily of solid plastic with aluminum extenders, offering a decent build that feels sturdy for the price. The ear cups are padded with soft foam, providing comfort, but the tight clamp force might cause discomfort over extended periods. In terms of features, these headphones come equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 and support for SBC and AAC codecs. They also boast multi-point technology, allowing you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously, which is quite handy. The Soundcore app enhances functionality with custom EQ settings and over 20 music presets. Though it lacks advanced features like active noise cancellation and digital assistant support. Moving on to sound quality, the H30i surprises with its bass-forward audio profile. The lows are emphasized, which is great for bass enthusiasts. The mids and highs are decently balanced, making them versatile for various music genres. However, the on-ear design doesn't provide the best noise isolation, so expect some ambient noise to leak in. One of the standout features here is the exceptional battery life. Anker claims up to 70 hours of playback on a single charge, which is impressive for any headphones, especially at this price point. Quick charging is also supported, offering 4 hours of playback with just a 5-minute charge via the USB port on the right ear cup. In terms of usability, the H30i falls short in some areas. The control scheme feels a bit convoluted, requiring multiple button presses for basic functions, and there's no option to customize these controls. Moreover, the lack of digital assistant integration and wear detection is noticeable, especially in today's market where these features are becoming standard. To summarize, the Soundcore H30i headphones excel in battery life and sound quality for the price. They offer a sturdy build and decent features through the Soundcore app. However, they miss out on some expected features like ANC and seamless digital assistant support. Comfort might also be an issue for some users due to the tight fit. So, are the Anker Soundcore H30i headphones worth it? At their current price, they present a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers. Looking for reliable wireless headphones with good battery life and sound quality? Just be prepared to make some compromises on advanced features and comfort. If you prioritize these aspects, they could be a solid choice for you. That wraps up our review of the Anker Soundcore H30i headphones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech insights on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.